Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I'm going to put these on and this is Grace and Stella and it opens at the top like this. I'm going to put them on and I've got a few things to talk about today. It is Mask Monday, so I hope that you're doing something to take care of yourself today. These are like gel eye masks and they are on a little tray to keep them in good shape. And Grace and Stella is a really nice brand. So see how these are, they're just gel. And there are two ways you can put them. Some people will put these on with the bigger piece here, and some people will put them on with a bigger piece on the outside of the eye. So it really just depends on, you know, what you want to target, I guess is the right word. It about covers the same amount of space, but see how the shape is a little bit bigger. I'm doing it on the outside this time. I don't really pay attention, I just put them on, but I thought I'd tell you all that in case you had concerns about something. This might help more with your, you know, crow's feet, right? So hopefully these will stay on. They're gel. And Grace and Stella, I was first introduced to Grace and Stella. I know that I've gotten them in Boxycharm originally. You know, when Boxycharm had a deluxe box, if you will, I don't remember the name of it now. It wasn't the icon box. It was, there was the regular box, the mid-size box, and then they had a quarterly, they had a bigger box. And I got it. When I signed up for Boxycharm, people told me, oh, you can never get that quarterly box. It's hard to get in. Well, I signed up and they asked me, do you want this box? And I said, yes. And these were in there. And then also I get them on Ipsy now. And also FabFitFun, we get them. And I have, you know, there's different colors. And it says everything is better in pink on this one. This is a collagen boosting eye mask. So I'm just going to do this because I have a few things to go over with you. And I have a winner. I chose a winner from the Dollar Tree Fall Festival. And that is with Miss Jackie Russell. She runs the Dollar Tree. She is our conductor. And there were 14 channels in this fall. And we have another will be coming out, you know, for Christmassy winter blue. Blue is very, very needy. First of all, Blue is very, very needy. But it seems the last few days, I don't think he's feeling the best. Not enough to take him to the doctor, but he's sneezed a little bit. His eyes are watery. He has watery eyes sometimes. But see, he just, who knows? Who knows what's going on with him? Anyway, I mean, he just wants to be constantly near me. So I'm sorry if he gets in the way here. So I'm going to tell you who my winner is, and then I've got some other things to say. All right. So my winner from the Dollar Tree Fall Festival is Bird Lane 8868. Now, Bird Lane 8868 is fairly new to my channel. She's commented a few times, and I didn't even get a chance to ask her name. When y'all have a handle like that, or you know, whatever shows up, you know, I forgot. There's the name and then there's the handle. They can be two different things. I often will ask people after I get to know them a little bit what their name is. You know, so like if it's Mary, then I'd say, hey Mary, you know, instead of hey Bird Lane, you know, so I'm not sure. So Bird Lane, please tell me I need your name and your address of where to send your winnings to, which were a mystery box. So, and also I'd like to know, you know, do you like makeup, skincare, what do you like? And so yeah, so let me know, and you have 48 hours to let me know, otherwise I'll have to pick somebody else. So hopefully you'll get in touch with me because I don't have your information. And then also y'all, a couple of y'all have asked me about volume for hair. And y'all, I have fine, thin hair. You know, it's in this right now. But my hair is natural color. I used to, I've always had fine, thin hair. I was born with pitch black hair. And then within 2 weeks, it turned blonde. And I had a lot of hair. And I remember my mom telling me that story because the nurses were all wanted to play. That was in the day when the bassinet was in with the nurses. And all the babies are bald, except I had all this hair. So they liked to play with my hair. but it started to turn blonde immediately. My mom has dark hair. I wouldn't say black, maybe brown, I guess. Well, not now anymore. She's gray-headed, but my dad was a blonde. So all of us kids, all 4 kids, have had blonde hair. And when I hit about 10 or 12 or somewhere in there, it was more dishwatery than blonde. So that's what they call it, dishwater blonde. That's bland, boring. What a name for hair color. Anyway, so I always, I would get it highlighted. I actually, when I was younger, I'd get perms. And perms in those days would bleach your hair a little bit. So, and then in my later years, I got highlights and lowlights and what have you. So, and then this started coming in and it wouldn't color over. The blonde wouldn't take to it. So I decided to go gray. So that's what I got going on now. So anyway, because my hair is fine, I like to keep it shorter because if it's long, when I've had it long, it just is flat. And my hair is flat, so, but I do try to do things to volumize it a little bit to give it some oomph. Now I use, because I get so much stuff in the boxes, I use different shampoos. I don't use the same, I wash my hair every other day and I don't use the same shampoo in a row most of the time. But these, I recently got these from FabFitFun, and then I got more. I'm so excited that I got more because they're expensive. They're $25-ish a bottle, $22, $24 a bottle, I forget. And I wouldn't buy that. I wouldn't spend that on shampoo. But this was a choice, 1 quarter, and then I got it in a, they sent me a gift for signing back up, and it was in that gift, and I really like this. There's a lot of conditioner in here. I use more shampoo than I use conditioner. And this is by the New company. They're a great skincare line that I know of. And then this was the first time I was introduced to hair care from them. This is called Supa, S-U-P-A, thick shampoo and Supa thick conditioner. And I'm telling y'all, this does volumize my hair. Most shampoos, you know, you wash your hair, whatever. These, as I'm washing my hair, it feels like it's volumizing. I know that sounds weird, but, and I'm not a person that has, poofy hair, but these I really like. I have other shampoos that I really like. I have shampoos that I love, but I sort of, depends on what's going on. So that's my favorite at the moment, volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, I have other favorite shampoos. I have a favorite shampoo that is not volumizing. Okay. So then when, so I wash my hair, condition my hair. When I'm in the shower, I wash my hair. And then I squeeze the water out, and then I put some conditioner on the ends, because putting it close to my scalp, I've always had oily hair in my life. As an older person, I would call my hair normal now, maybe normal to oily, because after a day or so, it might get a little oily, not as bad as it did when I was a teen. But so I use dry shampoos, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Because my hairdresser doesn't want me to wash my hair every day. She said it strips it. She'd like me to go like a week without washing, and I can't do that. So I'm lucky I can do every other day. So then my hair is wet, and when I go to dry my hair, I brush it, and I sort of part it, and then I put something on my hair for protection and volumizing, depending on what I use. Because again, I have several products that I use all at one time. I mean, when I say that, I have them open and I use one. So this is Wow, Color Wow, the Dream Coat. I was introduced to this first. I got this in a advent calendar originally, I think. This is called Supernatural Spray. It magically transforms texture. Amazing humidity proofing powers, it says, okay? So I didn't know anything about it. Y'all told me you must try it. So I have tried it, and this small one is the last one I have. I had gotten several at that time. And so I keep this for travel because this can go on the plane. And I spritz my hair before I dry it, before I blow dry it. And even though this doesn't say volumizing, it says texture. So look for texture, texturizing, volume, those kinds of words if you want volume. So I do like that. So that introduced me to this Color Wow. I don't even know the name of the brand. What is the name of the brand? One of y'all will know it. Color Wow, I think it is. And then this was sent to me by one of my wonderful subscribers, Betty Vick. She got this maybe in Boxycharm, maybe. And I think she didn't like the way it worked for her. So she sent it to me. This is a foam. So it's extra large, it says, bombshell volumizer. So that one does say that. It comes out like a foam, and I don't really like foams, so I wasn't too sure about it, but I'll tell you something, this is nice. I just, I pump out a little bit, and then it's like shaving cream is what it's like, right? And then I just sort of do this into the roots, and I really like that, So this is a great brand for hair care. And also I have this I found like under my sink. When you get new things and you push things back, found it under the sink and thought, well, I need to finish that off. This is from Pantene. I just got this at Walmart or maybe CVS or something, y'all. This is, let me see. Now this doesn't say anything about volume again. So it says Pantene Pro V booster spray. So you have to look for those kinds of words, if you want volume. It says all over powerful fullness. That's what it says. And this is very nice. This is a spray, and it's old. I've had it a while, but I started using it again since I found it under the sink, and it works very nice. And this, maybe Pantene, probably $10-ish, so a reasonable price. It says powerful body boosters spray. Boost your hair's natural fullness and vibrant shine. So I see some problems with the bottle. I think it got hit with my flat iron a few times because it's a little melted. But this is very nice. So, you can find things just over the, CVS and whatever. And then I have this bougie thing. This I got in a TestTube Beauty a while back. And again, knew nothing about it. This is Milkshake is the brand. You can see now, I don't know if you can see it because of the shine, but the name is up here, Milkshake in yellow. And it says leave-in conditioner for all hair types. That's all it says. It says with milk proteins, honey, and fruit extracts. It doesn't say anything about volumizing that I recall, but it works wonderful. This smells like you're at the beach. Oh my goodness, it's fabulous. So again, what I do with those kinds of products, the foam, at the roots, but this, I spray, spritz on my roots, and then I sort of do this. Okay, Blue, show us your beautiful eyes and move on. And then I blow dry, okay? So that gives me some volume. So I always use some sort of a spray. Also, some of these kinds of things help with the heat from the blow dryer and also the flat iron, because I use after I'm done blow drying my hair, then I use a flat iron just to get my ends under, because sometimes they're all over, so then I just, flat iron real quick. And then also when I don't, sorry, cat goes by, fur goes in my face. I use dry shampoos every other day, and dry shampoos are so that you don't have to wash your hair. That's what they are made for, basically, but they also volumize your hair. I have this one. Hask is a really good hair care brand. You can get this at Sephora, at Ulta, maybe even Walmart has Hask brand. This one is the chia seed. This is a volumizing dry shampoo. They have many formulas. Some say volumizing and some say other things, This one says volumizing, and it says made with chia seed. So what a chia seed does is it absorbs. So it would absorb oil, and that's for dry shampoo. This works just fine as a dry shampoo, not necessarily as a volumizing. So that is, everybody's different. Someone might think this is their favorite of all time because they make it. Somebody must be buying it, right? So I bought a bunch of different scents or flavors or types. When I bought these, they had 4 or 5 or 6. I think I bought one of each just to see what they were like. So it's fine as a dry shampoo. Does it give me volume? Maybe. I think all dry shampoos I think give you a little bit of volume, but that's about all this does. It shouldn't have the word volumizing for me. It doesn't work for me that way, okay? And then on the other hand, I have this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD dry shampoo. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor, okay? And this one doesn't say anything about volumizing, but this one does help volumize my hair. So when you use a dry shampoo, it's like these other things. You spray on, toward the roots, and then poof, 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 like that. And, lift it up a little bit, and I let it sit for a moment or two, maybe put on, my eyeshadow or something. Then I go to brush it out. So even though this doesn't say volumizing, this one does help. This one is more expensive. I can't remember the original price, maybe $20-ish. But this I've been getting as a refill with FabFitFun for $10.80. And there's a lot in here and it lasts long. And I don't know how much this was, $8 or $10-ish. When I bought these, they were like buy one, get one free or buy one, get one half price with Ulta a while back. And then this is probably my favorite dry shampoo, IGK, First Class. This I got originally in a mini. I don't have the mini anymore. And I got way back from Ulta, I got a package of dry shampoos because I spent so much money or whatever. And that's been wonderful for me to try different dry shampoos. This one is the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, Invisible Deep Cleanse, Oil Erasing. Again, it doesn't say anything about volume that I see right on the title or anything. But this one works really well for me and also gives me volume. Well, because, dry shampoos just generally give some volume. This is rather expensive. Golly, come on through. Maybe $25-ish. See, I can't pay that full price. But I want to say, did I get this in FabFitFun, y'all? As an add-on. I can't remember now. I know that I got it in something. And then maybe I got it in FabFitFun, a mystery bundle or something. I can't remember. And then either FabFitFun or Ipsy had it on sale, and I got a couple more cans because they were like $5 or something on sale, and I was able to get 3. That's FabFitFun, right? Or, well, Ipsy does that too. You can only get so many. So I can't remember where I got it. But anyway, for me, this is probably my favorite dry shampoo. So that is what I can tell you about volume. So I had a few people ask me. So you all, thanks for stopping by and seeing my Mask Monday, and I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I hope that you do something to take care of yourself. And please congratulate the winner below, and BirdLane8868, get with me. My email, all my contact information is in the description. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Have a wonderful week, y'all. Bye-bye.